What is up guys? Welcome back. For today's video, ituturo ko na po sa inyo kung paano nga ba masosolusyonan yung error prompt sa GCash na your account is already registered to another phone. But before we continue this tutorial, kung bago ka pa lang sa inyong channel, hinihiling ko pang yumakmay para i-subscribe ang channel na ito and don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated every time na mag-upload ako ng mga bagong videos. And without further ado, let's get started. So ito nga yung error prompt na na-encounter natin if nag-register tayo sa ibang phone habang naka-registered pa yung GCash account natin sa dating phone natin or sa ibang phone. Possible din na ma-encounter mo yung error prompt na to if nag-factory reset ka sa iyong phone. Or pwedeng in-uninstall mo and reinstall yung GCash app. So yan po yung mga reasons kung bakit nakaka-encounter tayo ng ganitong problem sa GCash. But don't worry dahil sa video na ito may dalawang solutions akong ituturo sa inyo. And ito po yung unang solution natin. For the first solution po, pupunta lang tayo sa Chrome or any browser na available sa inyong mga phone. Then search lang po natin dito yung GCash Help Center. Then go lang natin. Then punta lang po tayo sa GCash Help Center. Then dito, click natin tong chat with Gigi. Ngayon, lagay natin as first message dito yung phone registration. Send lang natin. Then ngayon, magre-respond si Gigi. Seems like you have a concern regarding phone registration or account secure. What best describes your concern? Ngayon, click natin tong I'm getting the prompt, you already have a registered phone. Then magre-reply si Gigi ng ganito. If you still have access to your registered phone, follow the instructions below. So ito yung mga steps na pwede natin gawin if may access pa tayo sa ating registered phone. Since wala na tayong access sa ating old phone or sa registered phone, tatanungin tayo, are you able to log in? Ngayon, click natin tong no. Ngayon, sasabihin ni Gigi, alright, which best describes your concern? Dito, click natin tong my registered phone got damaged. Then, magre-reply ngayon si Gigi ng ganito. Please describe your experience with unregistering your phone and share your thoughts in this space. This will help us improve your experience. So, dito, pwede nating ilagay ito. I can't log in to my GCash account because of the error prompt. Your account is already registered to another phone. So pwede nating or pwede nyong gayahin yan. Send lang natin. Then magre-respond si Gigi. Thanks for your feedback. Now we will assist you with unregistering your old phone so you can log in with your new phone. For your security, we will be asking for a few more details before we can proceed. So ngayon, tap natin tong show form. Then may fill upan tayong form dito. Dito ilalagay lang natin yung GCash registered name natin, yung registered mobile number, then yung GCash registered email, and pati yung phone's brand and model ng ating registered phone. Ngayon, after nating ma-fill upan yung form na yon, click natin tong send. Then sasabihin dito, thank you, this window will close in a moment. Then return to chat na tayo. Then ngayon, ito yung sasabihin ni Gigi. Thanks Raymart, next we will be asking you to upload these two required documents for us to process your request. So kailangan po natin i-upload yung ating valid ID used to register with GCash, pati yung selfie with your valid ID. And ito po yung list ng kanilang kinoconsider na valid ID. Then dito sa baba, ensure that you are uploading the correct images to prevent delays in the processing of your request. So kailangan po tama yung mga information na isasubmit natin para mabilis yung process. Then ngayon, please upload the valid ID you used to register with GCash. Select file lang natin. Then select file ulit. Then media picker tayo. Then select lang natin yung ating valid ID. Then ngayon, kapag na-upload na natin yung valid ID natin, click natin tong submit file. Then ngayon sabi, file successfully uploaded. So return to chat na tayo. So ngayon naman, please upload the selfie with your valid ID. Select file lang ulit natin. Upload lang natin yung ating selfie with our valid ID. Select file lang ulit. Then media picker. Ngayon, after nating ma-select yung ating selfie with our valid ID, click lang natin tong submit file. So ganun lang ulit. Ngayon, after ko pong ma-upload yung selfie with my valid ID, nag-text ka agad si GCash. And ito po yung text niya. Check natin. Sabi sa text niya na unregister na daw yung ating old phone. And pwede na daw tayo makapag-register sa ating new phone. Ibig sabihin, successful yung ginawa nating procedure para ma-unregister yung ating dating phone. So, ganun lang po yung first solution natin. Ngayon, kung hindi gumana sa inyo yung solution na yon, ituturo ko naman sa inyo yung second solution. And ganito lang siya. Dito sa chat with Gigi, message lang natin yung submit a ticket. Send lang natin. Then ngayon, click lang natin tong submit a ticket. Then dito sa submit a ticket, may form po tayo na kailangan fill upan. Dito ilalagay natin yung email address na registered sa ating GCash account, yung GCash registered full name, then select the country where you registered your GCash account, Philippines or kahit saan mang bansa kayo nag-register ng GCash account, lagay nyo lang dyan. Then yung mobile number natin si GCash. Then dito naman sa concern category, click lang natin yan. Then dito, select lang natin tong I can't log into my GCash app. And dito sa select which statement is most relevant to your case, select lang natin dito yung I saw an error, your account is already registered to another phone. Then what best describes your situation? Piliin natin dito yung my registered phone got damaged. Then dito, check lang natin tong mga box, yung valid government issued ID, tsaka yung selfie holding your valid ID. Then dito naman sa kindly provide all the details that will help us assist you with your concern, pwede nating ilagay dito yung ganito. I can't log in to my GCash account because of the error prompt. Your account is already registered to another phone. Please help me to fix it. Thank you. So, pwede nyong gayahin yan. Then, dito naman sa attachments, dito natin i-drop yung ating valid ID tsaka yung ating selfie with our valid ID. Then, after nating ma-attach mga files na yon, click lang natin tong submit. Then, after po natin ma-submit, monitor po natin yung Gmail natin. Dahil dun po magre-respond si GCash para i-update tayo about sa status ng ating concern. So, check natin yung Gmail natin. Then, after few minutes, magre-response po si GCash ng ganito. Hi Raymart, we understand that you need to unlink your account from your old device and we were here to help you through this process. If you still have access to your old phone, please follow these steps. So, ito yung mga steps na pwede natin gawin if may access pa tayo sa ating old phone. Since wala na, ito yung sasabihin niya. If you no longer have access to your old phone, no worries. We will review your request within 2 days. To ensure we can assist you as quickly as possible, please verify that the following information matches your registration details. So, ito yung mga informations na binigay natin kanina. Registered mobile number, registered full name, registered email address, previous device used, one valid government ID, selfie, or yung selfie holding the ID. If you have already provided this information, there's no need to resend it. Since nakapag-provide na tayo ng mga informations na yun kanina, di na natin need i-provide ulit. We understand that these steps may feel like an inconvenience, but they are necessary to ensure the security of your account. We appreciate your patience and cooperation. Regards, GCash Support. So ngayon, need lang natin maghintay ng update galing kay GCash ulit. And sa email na yon, doon na nila i-confirm na na-unlink na yung ating old phone and pwede na tayong makapag-register sa ating new phone. So ganun lang po kadali i-fix yung error prompt na your account is already registered to another phone. So hanggang dito lang video na ito. Sana nakatulong. Have a nice day. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out.